Hello everyone. Today you will learn about the topic nutrition in animal. This is part second. In previous lecture, in part first, you have learned about digestion in human being. In this lecture, I am going to teach you about digestion in grass eating animals. Okay. So let's start with this. Cows and buffaloes and other grass eating animals chewing and swallow the grass and store it in a separate part of the stomach called rumen. Okay. Here the food gets partially digested and is called cud. Okay. But later the cud returns to the mouth in small lumps and the animals chews it. This process is called rumination, and these animals are called ruminants. Okay. Cows और buffaloes और other grass eating animals जो हैं क्या करते हैं, अपना जो फूड है लाइक ग्रास उसको क्या करते हैं, चीव करने के बाद स्वेलो कर लेते हैं और उसको एक सेपरेट पार्ट में जो है स्टमक के उसको स्टोर कर लेते हैं. उसी सेपरेट पार्ट को जो है हम क्या बोलते हैं, रूमन बोलते हैं. ठीक है, यू कैन सी हियर दिस इज रूमन. ओके, सो रूमन इज व्हाट, रूमन इज द लार्ज और first compartment of the stomach, okay, in ruminant, and in which cellulose is broken down by the action of rumination. Okay, so this process is known as rumination, and these animals that means the cows, goat, camel, moose. Moose is a large deer with palmate. The name moose means largest species in deer family and is Native American origin. Okay, and the giraffe, goats and all etc. ठीक है, these animals are called ruminants. The grass is rich in cellulose, a type of carbohydrate. Cellulose is a type of carbohydrate. Okay, and many animals, including humans, cannot digest cellulose. So here the word cellulose is written. Okay, cellulose meaning this serves many functions, including connecting cells to form tissues. Okay, so cellulose is the main substance that makes up the cell walls and the fibers of plants. Okay, an example of cellulose is the 30% of a tree that can be made into paper. Okay, so paper is also made by cellulose. Okay, and the next is ruminants have a large sac-like structure between the small intestine and the large intestine. Okay, the cellulose of the food is digested here by the action of certain bacteria which are not present in humans. Okay, so रूमिनेंट्स जो होते हैं उनके पास क्या एक सैक-लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होता है. ओके, सैक-लाइक स्ट्रक्चर कहाँ पे होता है, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन और लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन के बीच में. सो हेयर फर्स्टली यू हैव टू सी द इमेज ऑफ cow. Okay, you can see the many parts of inner parts of or inner organs of cow, how its work. This is the digestive system in ruminants. Okay, in all ruminants the digestive system is same. Okay, so start with this. Here you can see the mouth of this cow. Okay, as in humans, digestion start from mouth, and animal as well. Okay, so digestion start from mouth and then enter, and here saliva is mixed with food and then broken down into simpler compounds, and then food enters into the rumen, or this one is actually the first stomach of ruminant. Okay, which receive food or cud from the esophagus. Okay, esophagus is the food pipe and then passes it to the reticulum. Okay, so here you can see reticulum. This one is reticulum. Okay, so reticulum is the second stomach of a ruminant, having a honeycomb like structure and receiving food from the rumen. This one is first stomach, and the reticulum is the second stomach of the ruminant. Okay, then passing into the omassin. Okay, here you can see omassin. Okay, first in first stomach this is rumen, and the second stomach this is reticulum, and the second stomach this one is omassin. Okay, omassin is located here. So in omassin, this one is the muscular third stomach of a ruminant. Okay, and after that food enter into abomasum. Okay, where abomasum, there you can see the abomasum. Okay, abomasum, actually the abomasum is the fourth stomach of a ruminant, which receive food from the mesum, and amesum after passes it to the small intestine. Here the food comes from the omassin. This one is omassin, and after enter into abysm. This one is the fourth stomach of the ruminants. Okay, so after that you can see the liver, and then rectum. Okay, rectum is what? The final section of large intestine, and the liver is the large lobed glandular organ. Okay, and this one is cecum. Okay, and here you can see duodenum. Duodenum is the first part of the small intestine, immediately beyond the stomach. Okay, yes, salivary gland, omassin, and reticulum, omasum, cecum, and ileum. Ileum is what? This is the third portion of the small intestine. Okay, and colon. Colon is the main part of the large intestine, and after that anus. Anus is what? Is the opening at the end of the alimentary canal through which solid waste matter leaves the body. Okay, so this is the digestion in grass eating animals. Next is feeding and digestion in amoeba. Okay, amoeba is a microscopic single-celled organism found in pond water. Amoeba has a cell membrane around its dense nucleus, and many small bubble-like vacuoles in its cytoplasm. Amoeba constantly changes its shape and position. It pushes out one or more finger-like projections called pseudopodia, or false feet for movement and capture of food. The food becomes trapped in a food vacuole. Okay, so here you can see the image of an amoeba. Okay, you can see the nucleus here and the food vacuole, nucleus, digested waste, pseudopodium, food particles, that is ingestion. Okay, so here start with this diagram. Firstly you can see the nucleus of this structure. The nucleus is what? This is a typically single rounded structure bounded by a double membrane. Okay, so this is a nucleus. And then you can see the pseudopodium. Pseudopodium is what? Pseudopodium is a temporary foot-like extension of one celled organism. Okay, so and the next is food vacuole. What is food vacuole? The food vacuole is the digests the food. Okay, waste and excess water are transported from here. Okay, so this is food vacuole, nucleus, pseudopodium, and the digested waste and the food particles. Okay, so this one is the diagrammatic form of amoeba. Okay, here you can see the word cytoplasm. The meaning of cytoplasm is what? In a eukaryotic cell. Okay, this one is the amoeba and this one is eukaryotic cell. Okay, in eukaryotic cells such as nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, and mitochondria are located in cytoplasm. Okay, and the work of pseudopodium. Here you can see the pseudopodium, and pseudopodia is also present in amoeba. The work of pseudopodia is what? The function of pseudopodia is locomotion and ingestion. ठीक है, so here you can see the ingestion part of this amoeba. So pseudopodia is the part of the amoeba and the function of this is locomotion and ingestion. ठीक है, and food vacuole we already discussed about this, is the here the food digest and wastes and excess water are transported. Okay, thank you class and have a nice day.